Welcome to the Amaze installation video. We'll now be showing you how to install your solar wall panel heater. Once you have cut the top of the box, remove the product and accessories. Contents of the box include the panel heater, instruction manual, and mounting kit. Please make sure to read the instruction manual before you proceed with installation. Before starting your installation, please ensure you have the following tools: measuring tape, marker, spirit level, 6mm drill bit, drill, screwdriver, and hammer. Once you have determined where to place your heater, measure approximately 24 centimeters off the ground and make your mark. Use the heater as a template by turning it around and mark all 4 holes. Drill holes using a 6mm drill bit and drill to a depth of 38 millimeters. Insert the anchors into all 4 drilled holes. Rest the mounting posts onto the drilled holes and fix them to the wall with the screws provided. Do not completely tighten the screws at this point to allow for movement. Please ensure that the switch casing is at the top right-hand corner. Mount the panel onto the 4 mounting posts. Tighten all 4 caps as shown. Connect your appliance to electricity and switch the plug on. The installation is now complete.